Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's dive into 3 fun idioms that are perfect for expressing happiness. I'll also compare them to basic English so you can see how they add charm and vibrancy to your language. Let's jump in. Idiom 1, on cloud 9. This idiom is used to describe being extremely happy or joyful. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English: he was very happy after hearing he got the job. With the idiom, he was on cloud 9 after hearing he got the job. The idiom paints a picture of pure joy, making it feel more vivid and relatable. Idiom 2, tickled pink. This idiom means feeling delighted or overjoyed about something. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English: she was very happy when she received the thoughtful gift. With the idiom, she was tickled pink when she received the thoughtful gift. The idiom adds a playful and colorful touch to the expression of happiness. Idiom 3, jump for joy. This idiom captures the excitement of being so happy that you feel like celebrating physically. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English: he was very happy when his team won the match. With the idiom, he couldn't help but jump for joy when his team won the match. The idiom conveys happiness in an energetic and cheerful way, making it much more dynamic. So there you have it, 3 idioms to express happiness in a fun and colorful way. Write your example in the comments and let's see how creative you can get. Thank you.